It's the biggest edition we ever made, and the Superbooth is luckily a good circumstance to have good weather and get together in these wet times of crisis worldwide. And I'm very happy to have so many visitors from India, from all over the world, from China, from America, from Europe, from Australia, from New Zealand, from South America, Mexico, Brazil, Vietnam, I don't know, but Andre made the booking, but we had exhibitors from Vietnam already. So it's really an international get-together of this community that I like a lot to call systemrelevant, because culture is important and we are a part of the culture. That's why I invited some people from the politics who don't understand that we are not just business. It's the people from the business, the people from the politics didn't understand to come. The people from the culture didn't understand to come. Perhaps those Berliners can help for the next year latest to get them here. The people from the business politics are coming, at least because I think they like to drink or whatever. And party, yeah. In the end, it's sure we're drinking and party, but we're also doing very interesting things, and I think that's important to show to those who don't understand it. I wanted this minute over here to let you meet each other, because I am aware that the next 3 days, everybody of you will stand behind his desk and talk 8 to 10 hours about their product, and you will not meet again. So take the opportunity to talk to each other, and don't let me fill you up with even more bullshit that I absorb every day. I'm happy to have you here, and it's really impressive. And we're not everybody, so we have 300 exhibitors. I wanted to say that unfortunately, we couldn't afford to let everybody in because we wanted to have the same mood as last year, because it was so nice, and I have the impression that it will be again this nice 2025. We can only pray that this will happen again next year and the years going on. We will see how life goes, and I want to say thank you to the team. I didn't make nothing, as I said earlier. I'm just talking bullshit all day. And Andre was making all the booking. Thomas was preparing all the finances, paperwork, and the Kasse team. And there was Tony, who was organizing all that cultural program that is happening tomorrow on 5 stages. That is also bringing us a lot of interaction between our clients and us, because originally the Superbooth was intended to let the makers understand what the musicians and creative people are doing with it, and let there be an interaction, and let us be understood as the interface between the so-called creatives and the so-called industry. In the end, the industry is also the creativity. We all know that, but we have to learn what is needed and how to use it from those who are going with it on stage. Or we have to go with it on stage ourselves, but mostly this can end up in a mess. Sorry. It depends. Anyway, let's try our best to do it right. And Andre, are you here? Do you want to give it another word? What did I miss? Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Andreas, for taking over. Yeah, I've prepared a lot of things, but I forgot everything, so I just let my feelings talk, and I would just say thank you to all of you. It's really impressive and touching and fantastic to see you all finally after all these emails, and we have so many friends and exhibitors who are here for the whatever, 4th, 5th time, maybe even 8th time.
For the 23rd time.
Yeah, 6 or 7, maybe 25 years, 20 years. And many new exhibitors this year also, and I hope everyone will be nice to each other as usual, and we simply will have a good time over these 3 days. It was a lot of work for all of us, I'm sure, for us to prepare all this. Maybe you read everything in the newsletter, the stuff in the wood, to prevent the dust and all that, and setting up the tables. they are still running and doing and working. It's a big team, and we are really happy to have them, right? Alone, we couldn't do it. And of course, all of your work to prepare this and to bring all your devices, modules, synths, and everything. Yeah, I think we are all in the same boat now, and just let's have a good time together, and we will see each other over the 3 days again. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, I do it, but this. First of all, I want to say thank you to the most important person in our team, technically and organizational-wise. He's not alone. He's having wonderful partners with him, and he's becoming more relaxed over the years. We had him over here in the best situation with a wheelchair. Where we took him in a wheelchair from here to there because he was the only one understanding where the tents should have been, and he's luckily in best circumstance. And I want to give you a big applause to the whole team and to Alexander Foy for his work. Thank you very much. And last but not least, I wanted to say, grab a drink over here, talk to each other. Luckily, we have flown in a wonderful DJ. Let's call him a DJ. He's one of us. He's the inventor, WMD, and he's one of those who are with us for, I don't know, 22 years or 20 years at least. We know each other, and this is really friendship. Thank you to Bill for making music there. And let's go over, celebrate it with our drinks, and have a good evening. And a wonderful show. That's the best start we can do.